Hi there, this is Pranay from Sybase Diary. I hope you are doing great. Good morning, afternoon, evening, depending on your geographic location. So, in today's session, we are going to talk about bidirectional replication through route. Okay, so if you have not seen my previous session, wherein I have covered the complete how do we do the installation of replication, how do we do the configuration, then how do we add the connection up to database on the primary rep server and on secondary rep server, and then how do we do the replication from primary to secondary. So, this is just continuation of the previous session. In this one, we will not create database replication, no, like connection and subscription, the target connection, all that we will not do. We will just create the route from SRS to PRS. So, basically SRS will become PRS and the previous PRS will become SRS. Okay. So, we will create the route. So, before we create the route, as we talked in the previous session, since the replication agent will initiate the communication or the initiate data transfer, we need to have the replication agent running on the secondary rep server now, which will become primary rep server. Okay. So, my lab is ready. Let me just open that. Okay. So, we need to go to RS02 right now. Okay, and open the interface. Okay. So, here we do not have any entry for underscore RA, right, that we have to add from the how it is there on the rep server, right. So, let me open another one, any of them is there right now. Okay, no issues. Let us do the cat of OPT rep and interfaces. So, here you see this entry. So, this is what we need to copy and we need to change the port numbers and change the server names according to that. Okay. So, this is the one. So, let us go ahead, go to the end of it. Let us do the paste, and so this will be RS 02 underscore RSST underscore RA. Okay, and then we will change the port number 52. Let us make it 5294. Okay, 5294. Okay, let us save this now. So, now if you do cat of interfaces slash OPT slash RS02 interfaces, so that should be there. Okay. So, now we will create the replication route. Okay. So, let us log into RS02. Before that, let us check the $Sybase. It should be RS02. Yes. So, let us log in here. So, we are going to create the route from RS02 to rep server. Okay. So, let us copy the command. So, see, right now it is getting created. Okay, route is being created. This is what I was telling in the previous session. If there is nothing, it will take some time for the route to get created. RS underscore help route if you do. So, it will not be done immediately. Now, it is created. Okay. So, rep to RS02 and RS02 to rep. Okay. So, reverse direction is also ready now. So, now what we have to do is we have to create the replication definition on the RS02 site and subscription on the rep server. Okay, and then we will see how it actually works. We are in the database, select db underscore name. Okay, select star from test underscore rr, and now the entry is there. Now, this is secondary to primary. Now, let us check here. So, select star from test underscore rr and entry came. Okay. So, replication agent was not started because we did not have the entry of RS02 replication server on the AC2 server. So, when we have to make it as primary, so that has to communicate to RS02, then only it will be able to transfer data from RS02 rep server, right. So, that is how it is. So, we did from secondary to primary, right, it came now. So, now if you want, you can do like vice versa. So, insert into test underscore RR values 3, okay, Bangalore, okay, no session, so it is RS02 underscore RS01, okay, then location say Bangalore, okay, and let's put 1 2 3 4, okay. So select star from test underscore RR, okay. Now let's go to secondary, select star from test underscore RR, and this is there. Now let's insert something here as well. Insert into test underscore RR values, okay, so 4, okay, so this time RS01 underscore RS02, okay. So let's put New Amsterdam. I don't think it will come completely, okay. So 09, and so select star from test underscore RR, it is here. Now select star from, why it is test underscore RR, and this is there. So replication is happening both ways. So this is bidirectional replication using PRS and SRS. So we did create route from RS02 to replication server. Before it was replication server to RS02 server, okay. So that's how we make use of route, okay. So one ID server can have multiple non-ID server, okay. That should be pretty much of it. Thank you very much. Yeah, appreciate your time. Thank you. Bye.